spiritual meaning behind flowers. For centuries, flowers have been used to represent various meanings. A red rose often means love, while a pink carnation means admiration. World religions use flowers to represent a wide variety of spiritual beliefs. Lily. The lily is commonly used in Christian symbolism. In its primer to Catholic symbolism, the Boston Catholic Journal states that the lily is a symbol of chastity, innocence and purity. In pictures of biblical events such as the Annunciation, the Virgin Mary is shown holding a lily. Lilies are also associated with Easter, the day Christians believe Jesus rose from the dead. Rose. The Luther rose is the seal of Martin Luther, the first Protestant Christian. According to the Evangelical Lutheran Church in America, he incorporated a white rose into his seal to show that faith causes joy, consolation and peace. The rose is white, not red, because white is the ideal color of all angels and blessed spirits. Lotus. For Zen Buddhists, the lotus represents the pattern of growth of the soul. ReligionFacts.com explains that the roots of a lotus are in the mud of materialism. Its stem reaches up through the waters of experience, and its flower rests on top of the water in the sunshine of enlightenment.